Welcome to all of the students who are start to join in the design engineering subject. As we already discussed initially regarding what E and how it may be implemented and how to select the topic, how to select your domain, which are the recent topic used in the industry and what are the challenges uh, of the society and how we can modify the challenges and how we are accept the challenges and we have to go through the challenges. So these all are we already discussed in the previous lecture and in that lecture we discussed regarding meaning and design of meaning of the design, meaning of the design and engineering. What is the difference between design, engineering and production, how it may be implemented in mechanical engineering. Based on that process design we are discussing. Same way parallelly we are defining the structure of the design engineering in the first lab of the design engineering. Then how we are collaborate with the whole society, where we include we are as a student, faculty, after that industry, society, government and university. These are the collaboration that we discuss in the initial lecture, initial lab. Now, these are the some requirement, some myth and some reality also we know regarding our challenges and our society's problem. So we are already discussed that okay, which are the problems we have and how we have to face the problem. But now how to resolve it or how to modify and how to solve. We have to take seriously that the problems are not the others, but if we are compare that problem with the ourselves, then it's easy to solve that problem. We have some uh, problem which are with the our society, and if we feel the problem then we are get the solution as shown in the ppt. You can see here that many example as I discussed in the no definitely these are the some logical or basic idea, but it may helpful to the society, it may helpful to the needy people, it may helpful to the who may really wants this kind of things. So on that time you are getting definitely blazing and you may start your own business and you may collaborate with the patent also. So these are some multifunctional objective also. After that I already discussed regarding these sheets, but as per the requirement of your I just start to discuss about AEIOU sheet first, at where what we have to do and what you have to apply in the AEIOU sheet. And after that we are discussed that how we can progress our report as discussed earlier, that we are add one another sheet. If you remember initially in the Google Classroom or in the Microsoft Team also, I just shared that I just share right now that PDF. You just see it here. This is called as a continuous evaluation or continuous assessment card, where already what you have to do, that you have to upload and you have to just mention this file is already shared to you with via Google Classroom also. So you just check out, or you may visit the website, or I just forward in our group also that you have to mention the continuous assignment card, where right now it's not feasible that take the sign of the concerned faculty. So you just take the digital sign of the concerned faculty, where college name, college code, subject code, branch, semester, team ID, team name, that you have all these things, project title or domain. After that, team members name. We start with the 1, 2, 3 or 4 is there. After that, internal guide and sign concerned department, head of the department. उसकी sign अभी नहीं आएगी, but we are remain blank on that time. Now in assessment of first month, at where what we have to observe, what kind of empathy we are getting and what kind of phases we are start, where we start with the first date of the semester, and what we are doing for whole month, that we have to mention. Why the question is like that, first, that why students or team have taken above mentioned domain. Okay, so based on that your topic, why you select your topic. So based on that you have to mention 2 and 3 lines. How frequently student team has gone for. If I just read the question, so if anybody have any doubt regarding the question, then they may directly ask that, okay, in which question, what kind of answer they have to write. How frequently student team has gone for observation on field, mention with date, place, time, etc. Which are the key observation that they have noticed in right now. COVID-19 is there, so you may mention the website name, when you visit, or yes, okay. How many interaction interviews team members have done? Who are used and various stakeholder on domain. Describe their person. आप किसको किस तरह से आप अपना टॉपिक एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं. लिस्ट आउट द क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड बाय टीम while having observation and interview. Okay, whenever you visit anywhere, and what kind of question you are getting or observe, after that what kind of question you are facing, that all things that you have to mention. What is something special unused activity, or either from the AIO sheet, what you get something special. So if there is some photograph that you directly take from the internet also, that you have to mention, and list any 5 major problems that you observe. Okay, if you are in initial stage, so you just observe, as per the team is your 4 students, so each student have the different kind of observation, so you just observe the your observation with specific reason. After that you may define the problem. Okay, so this is the some specific steps to define your problem. आपको directly कोई problem define नहीं करना है, but you have to observe initially. After observation you get some statement, you with and you just communicate in your group, and after that you may decide that this is the impact, this is some missing in the society, so we have to just give to the society. Then the impact of this useful topic, it may be very helpful to the society or needy people, then you may start for that kind of topic. It may be helpful to the either industry or either society. Okay, after that you just complete that thing, and based on AEIOU sheet, empathy canvas suggestion, mind mapping आपको finish करना है, and the general suggestion given by me, so it may be clear. Up to 5 marks you are getting. Same way there are second phase for ideation and product development phase, where you have to talk about initially. It means that in the first stage, that you have to finish your topic, you have to select your topic proper way. आपका टॉपिक क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए, आपका डोमेन क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट you may start to define your topic in proper way with the help of AEIO sheet, where A for activity, E for environment, 3 interaction, I for interaction, object, and users, that we know very well. So based on these five canvas, we are, if you haven't the canvas, then you may prepare with yourself, as I already mentioned in the earlier notice. So you may prepare the soft copy or hard copy, and you may just write, as I mention you the soft copy also right now. So you may just start to write the relevant content in your relevant canvas. Purchase these 5 canvas sheet. After the sticky notes we require, and sketch pens are required. If we talk about activity, then we know that in activity, general impression or observation, whatever we are observed. Suppose we are visited any suppose we have one group of the 4 student, and we are visited one tea stall. On that time we are what we are visited or what we are observed, that we have to mention at here, that some small children, some small child can also serve the tea. So it may be affect to you, or it may be a sense to you, and you may energize, you may empathize on them, and you may just guide them, and based on that you may just take the topic. In that base also you are start the observation. Same way, if you are if you observe anything, after note down that all thing, you are not gluing your whole sticky note. I just observed that you are just glue the whole sticky note, but you have to use the sticky note. In why we are use sticky note? Because suppose there are many observation, but from 50 or 60 observation, I just initially understand that only these 10 observation are very good for you. But after that, I with the help of experience, I just understand that from this 10 only 2 or 3 are important. So remaining I remove, or in these 3 I can add 1 or 2. So I just replace the another sticky note. So in this way I am using the sticky note. So whenever and whatever I am getting the new information I want to add in the canvas, so on that time sticky notes are very easy to use. So for that purpose we are use the sticky note. You have to mention your group ID, date, ship number, and a project name as per the select by you and your leader. After that, which are the elements and special notes you are getting? If you have some photos, then you may also put it. You may start to upload in your website also, that gtu.ac.in, sorry, de.gtu.ac.in, where you get the or you start to upload, as already your guide may start to approve your project. So you start to finish the all sheets and try to upload in the website. After that, environment, where as we know that in which kind of environment we have to work. So based on that, if it may be the environment in the industrial environment, or it may be the humidity kind of environment, or whatever our topic is, that in which environment may be work properly. So based on that you have to finish the uh, second sheet, second canvas. After that, interaction. This is the very important point, at where whatever you are observed, or whatever your topic is there, whatever your domain you may cover, based on your topic you have to interaction with the concerned faculty. Either it may be the industrial topic, then whosoever work on that area, then you have to interact with them. That suppose I just start with some simple design, then design of the crank or design of the levers. On that time, which kind of material they are used, how they do the design, why the shapes are not exactly 90 degree, why they provide the fillet shape, and why they are use not the plastic for the material, but why they are use the metal, particularly CI metal are there. And so that kind of question you have to raise in your mind, and you have to interact with the concern person. If you prepare some photograph, then you can also paste at here. And that all things you have to prepare in the hard copy. After that, object, what's your object? So based on your object, that may be clear in the initial stage. So your object may be clear, that suppose any industry can get the efficiency up to 10 or 50%, and if I want to raise up to plus 20%, then how to modify, or what kind of modification you suggest to the industry, that you have to fulfill in the objective. And who can help, with the help or with the help of your topic, who can get the benefit. Okay, so this added in the user profile. Okay, so these are the basic information that I want to share to you regarding that. Okay, how we collect the information, and how we have to go with the DE topic. See, you remember one thing, that when we talk about the DE topic, on that time you have to plan in that way. That topic should not only for the third semester, but it may be reach up to fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. And in eighth semester, you are in that stage that due to that you may start your own business after completion of your B. Okay, so you have to focus in that ways के आपका टॉपिक वो आपको फ्यूचर में आपको जॉब नहीं करनी, बट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस एंड बेस्ड ऑन योर own business you may right now going in the primary stage. Okay, so that kind of goal we have to achieve for design engineering subject. Okay, so only not just subject point of view, but for your career point of view you have to take this as a seriously. Now if you have the concern regarding, or if you have the query, because already I just get some queries from many students. So if you have query, then you probably ask me or you mention the comment box, so I can just share the answer if you just give the comment. Okay, or you may just right now continue with the comments also.